Hello friends, in today's video I will guide you through the process of installing Kali Linux on VMware. Whether you're new to virtualization or just want to set up a testing environment, this video will cover everything you need to get Kali Linux up and running on VMware workstation or player. There is no big difference. Now let's get started. For now, open Chrome, type Kali Linux download. Open the first URL, select the installer image, select the appropriate version for your system. For many users, the 64-bit is the appropriate version. Download the 4GB version, open VMware, click on File, New Virtual Machine, choose Typical, which is recommended. Click on Browse, locate ISO file you just downloaded and select it. Select Other and Other 64. After that, give your virtual machine a name. I will call mine Kali, and then choose a location where you want the VM files to be saved. I'm just going to leave the default location for now. Now, set the disk size for your virtual machine. I recommend 12GB, but if you plan to use more tools and files, you can increase that. Make sure to select Store Virtual Disk as a single file and click Next. Before starting the VM, let's quickly tweak a few settings for better performance. Under Memory, increase it to at least 2GB, though 4GB will make Kali run smoother. Under Processors, you can increase the number of cores if your system has multiple cores available. For Network Adapter, make sure the network adapter is set to bridged or NAT, depending on how you want to connect the virtual machine to the network. I will leave it on NAT. Now, click on Finish. Click Power on this virtual machine to start it. Kali Linux will boot from the ISO file, and you will see the installation menu. Select Graphical Install. Now, you will be asked to choose your language, location, and keyboard layout. For the host name, you can leave it as Kali or enter something else. I'll stick with Kali. For the domain name, you can leave this blank unless you're setting it up in a domain network. Now, create a new user account. This will be the user you will log into Kali with. Choose the desired time zone and click Continue. For partitioning, choose Guided, use entire disk. This will automatically configure the disk for Kali Linux. Don't worry, it will not affect your main system since this is within the virtual machine. Select Yes. Select the first two options in order to have a graphical interface. The rest is optional. The installer will now install the base system, and once it's done, it will ask if you want to install the grub bootloader. Select Yes and choose the virtual disk to install it on. Before you do anything else, make sure to update the system. Open the terminal and type the following commands to update and upgrade the system packages. That's it. You have successfully installed Linux on VMware. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials.